prepare to step into a world shrouded in mystery and intrigue. As we embark on an extraordinary expedition to uncover the untold secrets of a forbidden realm, forbidden mysteries unveiled, why it's illegal to visit North Sentinel Island, India. In the heart of the Indian Ocean lies an island like no other, where time seems to stand still and an enigmatic tribe guards its isolation fiercely. Join us on a virtual journey as we delve deep into the mystique of North Sentinel Island, peeling back the layers of history, culture, and controversy that have made it one of the most off-limits places on Earth. Nestled within the azure waters of the Bay of Bengal, North Sentinel Island exudes an aura of enigma that has captured the imagination of adventurers and anthropologists for centuries. Home to the Sentinelese tribe, one of the last uncontacted indigenous communities on the planet, this island presents a unique and unparalleled opportunity to explore the intersection of culture, isolation, and the preservation of human heritage. However, the complexities surrounding the tribe's isolation and the challenges it presents have led to a strict prohibition against visiting the island, making it a tantalizing enigma in the modern world. The Sentinelese people's fiercely guarded isolation presents a multifaceted problem. Their limited contact with the outside world raises concerns about the potential introduction of diseases to which they have no immunity. Additionally, respecting their autonomy and cultural practices while satisfying scientific curiosity presents a delicate balance that is challenging to achieve. The solution lies in understanding the historical context, cultural significance, and ethical considerations surrounding the Sentinelese people. By delving into the reasons behind the island's prohibition and examining efforts to preserve their way of life, we can shed light on the complex web of factors that have resulted in the strict ban on visiting North Sentinel Island. Fact 1. A mysterious isolation. North Sentinel Island's isolation dates back centuries, as the Sentinelese people have remained largely untouched by modern civilization. This isolation has contributed to their unique culture and the intrigue surrounding their way of life. Fact 2. The threat of disease. One of the primary reasons for the ban on visiting is the potential introduction of diseases to which the Sentinelese have no immunity. Even common illnesses could devastate their population, leading to the decision to protect their isolation. Fact 3. The Sentinelese language. The Sentinelese language remains a linguistic enigma due to the limited contact with outsiders. Linguists and anthropologists yearn to study this ancient language, but the ban on visiting restricts these efforts. Fact 4. A clash of beliefs. Efforts to establish contact with the Sentinels have been met with resistance, reflecting their desire to maintain their autonomy and cultural practices. The clash of beliefs and values adds complexity to the issue. Fact 5. The anthropological enigma. Anthropologists are drawn to North Sentinel Island to study the Sentinelese and gain insights into prehistoric human societies. The ban on visiting presents a challenge in unraveling this anthropological enigma. Fact 6. The Andaman tragedy. A tragic encounter in the late 19th century resulted in the deaths of several British naval personnel, further fueling the notion of the Sentinelese as an isolated and hostile tribe. Fact 7. Preservation of identity. The ban on visiting aims to protect the Sentinelese' unique identity and prevent cultural assimilation. This preservation effort is rooted in a respect for their autonomy and heritage. Fact 8. Sentinelese artifacts. The artifacts and tools used by the Sentinelese offer glimpses into their daily lives and technological advancements. The ban on visiting prevents the collection of valuable insights into their material culture. Fact 9. The isolation paradox. While isolation shields the Sentinelese from external threats, it also prevents potential assistance in case of emergencies. Balancing protection and intervention remains a complex challenge. Fact 10. The 2004 tsunami. The Sentinelese demonstrated their survival skills by retreating to higher ground during the devastating 2004 tsunami. The ban on visiting aims to preserve their self-sufficiency while also ensuring their safety. Fact 11. Diplomatic delicacies. Attempts at establishing contact with the Sentinelese require careful diplomatic considerations. The ban on visiting reflects the need to respect their choices while also fostering peaceful engagement. Fact 12. A connection to ancient times. Studying the Sentinelese could offer insights into prehistoric migration patterns and human settlement. The ban on visiting hinders these archaeological investigations. Fact 13. The Sentinel Isolation. North Sentinel Island serves as a sentinel of isolation, challenging our understanding of the evolution of human societies and the impact of external influences. Fact 14. A struggle for autonomy. The Sentinelese isolation is a reflection of their struggle to maintain autonomy and protect their way of life. The ban on visiting acknowledges their desire to remain separate from the outside world. Fact 15. A glimpse into the past. The Sentinelese offer a unique opportunity to glimpse humanity's past, harkening back to a time before globalization and modernization. The ban on visiting preserves this window into history. Fact 16. Ethical considerations. Ban on visiting raises ethical questions about the rights of uncontacted tribes and the potential risks and benefits of engaging with them. Fact 17. Ecological impact. Visitors could inadvertently introduce invasive species or disrupt the island's delicate ecosystem. The ban on visiting safeguards North Sentinel Island's natural balance. Fact 18. The enigma of survival. The Sentinelese's ability to survive and thrive on a remote island for generations challenges our understanding of human adaptability and resilience. Fact 19. Limited contact. Occasional gifts have been left for the Sentinelese in an effort to establish peaceful contact. The ban on visiting respects their choice to limit interactions. Fact 20. A mystical connection. The Sentinelese' connection to their environment and their unique spiritual beliefs remain a mystery. The ban on visiting preserves the sacredness of their traditions. Fact 21. A world untouched. North Sentinel Island remains a world untouched by modern technology, offering a glimpse of what life might have been like for early human societies. The ban on visiting protects this pristine state. Fact 22. The Sentinel's legacy. The Sentinelese serve as guardians of their island, preserving a legacy that predates written history. The ban on visiting upholds their role as stewards of their ancestral land. Fact 23. The dangers of disease. The risk of transmitting diseases to the Sentinelese is a significant concern. The ban on visiting prioritizes their health and well-being. Fact 24. A world beyond our reach. The ban on visiting North Sentinel Island highlights the limits of human exploration and the boundaries we must respect in our quest for knowledge. Fact 25. The paradox of knowledge. While we are driven by curiosity to understand the Sentinelese, the ban on visiting acknowledges the paradox that obtaining knowledge about them could potentially endanger their way of life. As we conclude our enlightening journey through the mysteries of North Sentinel Island, we are reminded that this forbidden realm holds lessons beyond its shores. The ban on visiting serves as a testament to the delicate balance between cultural preservation, scientific curiosity, and ethical considerations. While the island remains inaccessible to outsiders, its existence ignites a spark of wonder and respect for the uncharted territories that remain beyond our reach.